All right, we got another video for you guys. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, P.
All right, we have another video update for you. Of course, we're going to talk about AMC, GME, the two favorite stocks, and then we're also going to talk about a new one, BBIG, which is a possible squeeze candidate. I also got some other plays for you guys, which are part of the original squeeze play way back in the summer of 2020 when we seen the original run up to $72 from AMC and the run up to $500 from GameStop. So we're going to talk about Nokia, things like that, and some of those original squeeze plays so you guys can take advantage of every single possible squeeze candidate once this stuff starts happening. We're also going to talk about crypto, of course, Bitcoin, give you a rundown and show you that there's a possible correlation between AMC and crypto. There's always been a discussion about that, but let's go ahead and get to the charts and get to the data and let you guys see what's going on, put you guys on game and get started. Let's go. All right, we're here with the charts, and as you can see, we're looking at AMC, our favorite stock, AME, and then of course GME, and then we also have a new one to add to the list because several other stocks have been squeezing along with AMC. If you remember back in 2020, SNDL, Bed Bath & Beyond, Nokia, BlackBerry, Workhorse, Marin Software, Newegg, Meta Materials, these all had squeezes as well. So we will be looking at BBIG briefly here as it is in this falling wedge here pattern, and it did have a nice green day here. So this is a possible squeeze play if you guys are looking to get into another squeeze play. A huge short interest here on this one, a large social following as well. But let's go ahead and talk about AMC. So AMC is in this bullish pennant or flag shape. As you can see, we have descending resistance and ascending support. So what happens is the support and resistance end up squeezing and normally give us a pop to the upside or downside. Now, normally this market structure has a 2 out of 3 time chance pop to the upside. As you can see, we have a higher low, higher low, higher low. That's also very, 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 very bullish. And why I think that we're so stuck in these channels is because the hedge funds can't really let us go lower because the first ones out the door are going to be the ones that survive this thing because make no mistake that hedge funds will go bankrupt after the squeeze. If we're looking on a smaller time frame, you can see that we do have this small little trend line right here. It's only a 2-touch trend line, so it's supposed to have 3 touches, so it's not yet confirmed, but I do expect tomorrow to be a green day as we've been flat mostly for these 3 days as they've been holding us here basically in between this $15 and $16 level, basically just holding us here, which is absolutely ridiculous. I really think that AMC is to the point that I really think that we're so close that AMC is to the point that if this thing goes any higher past $20, that we're gonna see it start running up and get out of control like we did in the summer. And I think if it goes any lower, like $10 to $8, that the shorts are gonna start covering, and then there'll be a rush to the exit, and then you'll see it also run up again. So I really don't think they have many plays left, but there's never a good idea to underestimate your opponent. If we look at GME, also we can see that it's in this bullish structure here. We broke out of this ascending falling wedge, and now we're in the same type of bullish structure as AMC, as these stocks tend to run together as well. As you can see, GME has also been basically flat over the last 3 days, but we're still in this bullish structure, so do not be fooled, do not be shaken out of your positions, don't get bored or anything like that, because big moves are happening for these stocks, especially when the shorts start to cover and we start to see FOMO and we start to see gamma squeezing. If we look here on Ortex, so a great place to get short interest in, we can see that it's at 21.09%. So Ortex is showing 21% official short interest, which is extremely high. And it's just absolutely, and as you can see, short interest is increasing, and they're using these shorts to keep the price down. But we want a high short interest because what are we looking for? A short squeeze, and you need more shorts. But basically, um, the synthetics have basically just been confirmed. Been a man that bought all the entire float of AMC. There's also Adam Aaron coming out and saying that we own 90% of the float. So how are they getting these shares to get, 450,000 shares available to borrow? Like, where are they getting these shares from? If there's no more shares left, there's basically confirmed synthetic shares. But as you can see, we have 6,493 calls expiring in the money on Friday at $16. So we can get above $16. We will see this possible gamma. Well, it's not really too much to get a lot of gamma pressure. So I'm not really looking too much for like a gamma squeeze this weekend, like we did last week and the week before, where we could have had a potential gamma squeeze. But Ortex is also showing the 21% short interest, which is very interesting. So basically what we're waiting for tomorrow is to see if it's going to be a green day. So I'm going to give you a quick prediction of what I think is going to happen tomorrow and a few scenarios. So basically for AMC, we'll either remain flat between this $15 or $16 area. If we do get above the $16 area, you will see an $18 retest most likely. We'll probably won't have any troubles getting to $18 if we get above $16 again, around the 16.39 level to be exact. So if we get above 16.39, you could expect to see $18, and then at $18, a $20 retest. If we go down below $15, you'll see it go down to $14 and probably get bought up very quickly because, as you can see, as soon as it gets down to $14, everyone buys it up extremely fast because they know it's a ton of money to be made buying the stock here at this $14 level, which is the original level way back when. If you look before when all this stuff was going down, where we played around before we took off to $72. So that is the update for AMC. Let's just do a brief Bitcoin update and then wrap up the video. So basically, Bitcoin is also in a similar bullish structure to AMC, which is kind of funny how these charts look very similar right now. And there has been a lot of things going on with crypto that it's been correlated with Bitcoin or with the meme stocks itself, AMC and GME in particular. Mainly them using it. It's the theory that they use crypto for liquidity. Um, but as you can see, we had this pump, we came back down, but we still had a higher low, higher low, and we're basically waiting for this to play out as well, and we'll probably see a retest of $50 or $50,000 for Bitcoin here shortly. As you can see, for crypto fear and greed is at $28. Overall market is green, and as you can see, these are the top coins by social analytics. Decentraland at number 3. Decentraland is a great coin to invest in. Tezos at number 5. XRP, Shiba Inu at number 8. So these are the most talked about coins on the internet. Bitcoin remains at number 1. I can't believe Decentraland is number 3. I just now noticed that looking at it now. So that's awesome. Definitely, I have a decent holding in Decentraland. So that's awesome to see. And I do think this is once crypto starts moving again, this is gonna be a coin that has massive gains, Decentraland. But that is basically the video for your AMC and GME updates. Basically, we're waiting to just break out of these bullish structures here and see how they play out. And basically, obviously, the long story is waiting for shorts to cover. But we're just going to continue to cover things, give you guys the news as things come along. Not too much going on as the last 3 days have been basically flat, but I'll continue to give you guys progress as we move on and give you guys also possible new squeeze plays like BBBY and other plays like BBIG. So if you found the video informative, if you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. So that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.